So I got this Aqua Elegante 3-inch high pressure shower head because I always like the high pressure shower. So the way it installs is after you take the original shower head out, this literally screws right in. Very simple installation. That's all you literally have to do. And it's already set to go. And to show you how it works, without trying to get myself wet, look at the pressure on that. I mean, it's a really good shower head. If you're looking for something that's really going to hit you almost like in a somewhat of a massage fashion, this is the one you want to go with.